It's your boy
Dashinq
Dash.
with
You feel? You don't? You will. Let's get this money. Hey, yo, Q. Let me get that. Yo, y'all already know what it is. It's your boy Dashinq, back with another one. First order of the day, $8 for 5.4 miles. Terrible ass order, but my AR went up to 78, so one for nothing. All right, second order of the day, Panera Bread. They had it slow out here, mini dashes online. I'm at a 79 with my AR. This is a 725 for 4.5 miles, so let's go ahead and wrap this. All right, y'all, I got a crumble cookie, a $4 for 0.6 miles. I'm at 80% on the AR. Yeah, you feel me? Open sesame. We got a Chick-fil-A, $6 for 1.6 miles. Diamond. The last order was a diamond. This order was a diamond. Let's go. Let's go. All right, we got a Panda, $6. I forgot the mileage. Well, it's not ready. It's not ready. We got a Panda. So I had to undersign that Panda like always. I'm just gonna stop accepting them, but I undersigned that one because they thought they had me waiting again. So, but now we got a Slim Chicken, $4 for 1.6 miles. So. Oh shit, I can't even tell you. Slim Chicken, that shit gonna be splat. Splickly splat. You feel me? To unassign a few orders, but we got a Panera Bread, a $7 for 3.4 miles. Let's go ahead and grab this. I had to splat a few motherfuckers' brains, send them back to the portal. Into the Matrix. All right, we got a Qdoba, a 550 for 2.6 miles, I think. Yeah. And we at 84 on the AR, so we just pushing up, you feel me? All right, it is drop off for that cash wise with no bill. Hey y'all, we got an Arby's order, 550 for like 1.5 miles. It's been going smooth so far. There's no bad, really terrible orders. It's been straightforward. It's been straightforward orders. Damn, this bitch. All right, we got a Granite City order and a Leon Chin stack, $15 for 6.5 miles. 15, no orders ready. All right, Leon Chin, this is the second pickup off that $15 order we got to drop. So let's grab this and go. All right, I fucked up. I went the wrong way and forgot I had this extra order in there, and there we go. Got two Qdoba orders, a $10 for 4 miles and $6 plus for like 2 miles. Let's go ahead and grab that. We got a Mongo's Grill order. It's $6 for 3.3 miles. Hopefully I get a stack, but they ain't sent none yet, so. Oh my God. Oh my God. What happened to Virgil? Oh. All right, this is the last order. The last one should have been the last one because I was done then, but we hit our goal already, and we getting this order, but dropping this last one off when we done, y'all. All right, y'all, this is the last hoorah, last joint of the day. We completed the goal. 115. You want me to leave it out here? Oh, there you go. There go the customer right there. Hi.
Hi. Thank you.
Wait, you got a drink? All right, have a good one.
You too. Thank you.
Yeah.